Who the heck is that?
Actually, that would be a giant.
What the hell is that?
Ogres? Oh, they're much worse. They'll make a suit from your freshly peeled skin. No. They'll shave your liver, squeeze the jelly from your eyes. Actually, it's quite good on toast.
Back! Back, please! Back! I warn you!
Oh, crap.
Do the roll, man! Do the roll!
This is the part where you run away.
And stay it!
Wanted fairy tale creatures?